Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Aviola. This video is going to be how I go from undefined curls to defined pop-in curls. Alright, so if you're interested, then keep on watching. To get started, you want to start off with freshly washed hair. This is me straight out the shower. My hair is wet. Well, not straight out the shower, but my hair is quite wet. And I will be using the Doux, the leave-in conditioner, and the Mousse. And I also used the co-wash to wash my hair. It smells really good. You always want to start with sections. So step one, start with sections. Section your hair out. I am a big advocate for sections with dealing with natural hair. When you're detangling your hair in sections, washing your hair in sections, just sections. So this is the leave-in conditioner, and I am heavy-handed, guys. So use based on your hair density, your hair length. But I use quite a lot of product on my hair. Smell was amazing. The consistency is quite thick, but it's really smooth. And just work it through your hair from the roots all the way down. So I'm spraying my hair because I like my hair really wet to achieve the best results for my wash and go. So I suggest to have a spray bottle handy, so you can just squirt your hair when you feel like it's getting a bit dry. So I'm adding some more, I don't know why. Again, I'm heavy-handed, so I probably didn't need that much product, but I just do that. Then I go and I section each section in smaller sections. This is to really define the curls. If you work in bigger sections, it's just hard to get the product to really distribute between the strands. So I like to go, one level again and just go in smaller sections, and then I put the product in. As you can see, just from the brushing and the leave-in conditioner, my hair is already getting defined. This is the mousse. My first I'm using a mousse. I think I used a bit too much. That's way too much, guys. That's 4 pumps. That's too much for that section of hair, or that amount of hair. But it was so silky. My curls just came out. It was awesome. Just look at that. So that's step 3, guys. So the first step, you want to start in sections, and then you're going to put your leave-in conditioner in, then go to smaller sections, and then put your mousse or your gel. And then I'm just going to do this step over and over again until I am done with the whole head. So I'm going to stop talking now so you can watch how I do this. And with the products, make sure you really work it into your hair. So go over and over. That's what I do. I don't know why. And then I just have like a claw, and then I go from the roots and then pull it down with the hair and pull it down with the hair. Alright guys, so I am done with all of the back now. This is what it's looking like. Now onto the front. The front of my hair is so much tighter. The curls are a lot tighter, so I don't know if you can notice here, but it's got like a spongy texture. And I find I need to put lots and lots more product in. So for the front I used a lot more of that mousse. And my curls aren't quite as defined as the back, because it's just a lot coarser in the front. So this is the last part. And again, I'm squirting some water to get it a bit wet, using some leave-in conditioner. Just working my way through my hair. And then this time I just decided to detangle the whole lot of that hair. Well, I should have split it up and then brushed it, but I just decided to brush the whole thing. Excuse my face, it doesn't really hurt, but I just make really weird faces when I'm doing my hair. So again, we're gonna go in smaller sections and use our mousse or your gel if you're using a gel, and work it into your hair. Working from the roots all the way down. Make sure you get the roots, guys. If not, you get like really defined ends and then the roots all puffy. Alright guys, so that's it. I am completely done now. You could air dry this, or what I did, I just sat under the dryer. I've got a dryer at home. Or you could also use a diffuser. This is late at night and it was just easier for me to sit under the dryer, so that's what I am going to do. And that's what the back looks like. Alright, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after it's completely dry. So this is it, completely dry. I have literally done nothing to it. So the back, I don't know if you notice, is a bit longer. I'm not too keen on how that looks, so I use a hairband. And this just helps me. You can use clips or pins, but I just prefer to use a band like this. And just put it around my head. And then make one side of my hair kind of going back, and then I sort of hide the other part of it in between my hair. And then this gives me just a bit of like a rounder shape. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. For the products, I personally like these products. It's a mousse. This is my first time using a mousse. I usually use gels, but I like the results, and this definitely lasted a good 3 to 4 days, and that's the longest really my wash and goes have lasted in a while. So I am definitely loving this product. My hair felt soft, it was shiny and really defined. So let me know if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and let me know your comments down below, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me do. If you've got any questions, ask them in the comments below. Alright guys, if you do wash and goes, what products do you love? And what products do you think I should try out? Alright, thank you. To my next video. See you guys later.